Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to unlock the sample HR schema that comes bundled with the installation of Oracle 18c Express Edition. Before you can access the schema, you have to unlock it. What is a schema? A schema is basically a collection of database objects that is owned by a specific user. So the objects could include database tables, indexes, views, store procedures, and other related database objects. So I'm going to be using the Oracle SQL Plus to unlock the schema. So let's access the SQL Plus. So I click on my Oracle folder and I look for SQL Plus, and the account I'm going to use is the sysdba. So what I'll do, I'll type in SQL Plus as sysdba. So I'm basically saying I want to access SQL Plus as a system database administrator. So I press enter, and the password is asking me for is the password I created during the installation of Oracle database. So once I've entered the password, I press enter, and you can tell I've connected to the Oracle database 18c Express Edition. So now I can start issuing command. The first thing I want to do is find out the ID of the container that contains the pluggable database which the HR schema belongs to. So this is the SQL command I type to find out the container I need to locate to unlock the HR schema. So once you've entered this command, press enter, and you can tell this is the container, this is the ID, so it has an ID of 3. XEPDB1 is the pluggable database that I am looking for. You might be wondering, what is this PDB seed? Now, PDB seed is basically what is known as the seed pluggable database. It's also a system supplied template which a container database can use for creating user defined pluggable database. The next thing we want to do is find out the name of the service. So to find out the name of the service, this is the query you type in. You select the name as this alias, service name, from this underscore where the container ID is 3. We've already identified the container ID we want is 3. So to find the service name, we execute that query. So I'm going to press enter, and it's giving me the name of the service, which is XEPDB1. The next thing I want to do is alter the session. So I want to switch from the container database to a pluggable database. So the query I'm going to have added is this one here. You type in alter session, and then you set the container to equals to the service name. All right, you can see here the query has been executed. It tells me the session has been altered. The next step is to check if the pluggable database is actually open. So this is a command you type to check if the pluggable database is open. You select the name, and then you type in open_mode from this and press enter, and it tells you it's now opened, and you can read and you can write to that pluggable database. So finally, now we can now unlock the account. To unlock the HR account, you type in this command alter space user, and the name of the user is called HR in lowercase, and then you type in identified by HR, and then he's typing account unlock. So what that means is that HR is going to be the name of the user and the password is going to be HR. So press enter, and if it is successful, it tells you user altered. In this video, I showed you how to successfully unlock the sample HR schema. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.